Meaning of favourability.
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 Favourability. Favourability describes the level of positivity or negativity associated with a particular person, event, or thing. It refers to the extent to which people hold favourable attitudes or opinions towards someone or something. Favourability is often used to measure public opinion or brand perception, and is typically expressed as a percentage or score. A high level of favourability indicates that a person or thing is well liked or respected, while a low level suggests the opposite. Overall, favourability is a valuable metric for assessing reputation or popularity among the public.